Hello, hello my lovely, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to try a few hacks I found on TikTok to do winged eyeliner. I can do a winged eyeliner to save my life. I have hooded eyes, very annoying to do a winged eyeliner with. But on TikTok there are a few gals that tell me that I can do it with a few hacks. So I'm going to try them out and we're going to see if it's going to be a disaster, if it's going to be good. I'm kind of afraid. And if this is your first time here, then hi, welcome. My name is AnneChris and on my channel I want to inspire you to use a little bit of color every day by creating fun, colorful looks. So today I'm not wearing anything because otherwise I can show you the hacks. But normally I'm wearing fun, colorful looks, but I keep them a little bit more wearable, a little bit more elegant, so you can actually wear color every day. I mainly use high-end and indie brands here on my channel, so if this is vibing with you, then please consider subscribing. I upload at least 2 times a week and sometimes I even throw in a bonus video as well. Okay, so TikTok, well, that is a bit of a rabbit hole, isn't it? I don't go on TikTok that often, but I did to find, to do some research for this video. I can tell you, I was there for a very long time. Whoa, that's a rabbit hole. But I'm going to pull up the first one I found. It's this one. She is using a toothpick. I have them here, like these floss toothpicky things. She puts the ink on the thread and then she puts it towards her eye. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try it out. I have this floss thingy and I have my eyeliner. This is the one from Essence, the super fine eyeliner pen. It's waterproof. Don't know if that is a good idea, but I'm going to coat the whole thing. Shall I zoom you in a bit? I'm gonna zoom you in a bit. Hi. So you can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm going to coat this thing very well. Well, it's very black, as you can see. Doing the YouTube. Oh, it's very black. Okay. I'm just going to follow my, because everybody always tells you to do that, my lower lash line. And I'm going to, do I have to, she's looking down, right? Yeah, she's looking down. Okay, and then I'm afraid. Well, nothing happened. Okay, again. I don't want to be a bitch, but this doesn't work. Okay, I'm going to put some more on because I have a feeling it may have dried up. It's a bit scary because you're poking your eye a little bit. Okay, again. Oh yeah, now something happens. Okay, yeah, yeah. Now, coat it again. Coat it again. Alright. And then we have to do the top one, like so. Well. Coat it again. This is she made it look easy, man. It's not easy. Alright, again. Well, it's not working for me. I cannot, to save my life, put like a line, but I have a bit of ink over there, so I'm just going to try and see if I can follow that line. Come on. Oh, these eyeliners, my god. This is the annoying thing with drugstore eyeliners. I bought this really recently and it's already empty. Okay. What do we think? I'm not going to go and do the whole thing because I have a feeling this is not my preferred method. I'm looking behind you in the mirror. It's not bad, but I think we can do better. Okay, I have a next one that is using a spoon, so maybe that one will work better.
If you need help doing a winged liner, this beauty hack is for you. So we're going to be using a spoon, and you're going to take the handle and line it up with your bottom lashes. Then you'll just angle the spoon depending on how steep you want your line to be. Okay. Now the key to this hack is using the right eyeliner. Now my personal favorite right now is by Stella. I linked it in my Amazon faves under beauty, and the reason why I love it so much is not only is it smudge proof and waterproof, so it's not going to go anywhere, but it has the most precise fine tip that makes it so easy to work with.
Okay, I'm going to start doing this, but with a different eyeliner, because this eyeliner is just not doing it. Oh, now it is working again. Oh, I hate drugstore. I'm sorry. I have a spoon here, and she says to put it next to your eye, and depending on how high you want it. And how is she doing this? She's looking at herself in the mirror. She's not closing her eye. Here's my lower lash line. Going to put it here. Just going to draw a line. Okay, I have a line. I hope you saw that. Okay, now what?
And you get great detail. Okay, so once you've drawn your straight line, you're going to take the curved edge of your spoon and place it halfway in the middle of your eyelid, and then draw a line from there, matching all the way up to the end of the line you just drew. Once the lines are connected, you just fill in the space.
Okay, cool. Okay, so she says to put this thing here. Okay, I think she means you have to do it like this, then fill in. Okay, well, I'm just going to try and fill in what I missed. Okay, let me take a good look at this with my handheld mirror. I think it looks nice, but you have to fix, like, this is like a very thin tail, and it's just like I only have a stripe going, so I need to fill that in, right? So I'm going to see if I can fill that in a little. Out of these two, I think I prefer the left side, because I think it looks more elegant. It has that nice, I think the shape is really nice, having that like thicker and going straight up and being really sharp. And then that side is more messy. The thing is, if you use something like this, you're poking your eye. So it is really scary to use this. And also, I think it is better to just keep your eye open, because I feel like this, you see what I mean? This is just like more straight, and it's more wobbly, and it's also because I look down and I have a hooded eye. So that is the effect that happens. But here it's like zzz. It's not perfect with a spoon, but I think out of these two, I think that the spoon one was better. Okay, I'm going to go on to the third one I found, and I think this is more catered toward like really hooded eyes. So I'm really curious to see if this is going to happen. I'm going to play it for you here again. Great. Okay, this is more complicated. She uses a pencil with an angled brush and then shape it. Okay, but is she looking, she's looking, I think she's keeping her eyes more open and she's looking into the mirror. I'm going to get a pencil. So I'm going to put this on my hand. It's nice and creamy. I'm going to go with the brush with the pencil just on my hand. From my hand. Okay, and then I think I'm going to just take my handheld mirror and I'm going to map it out. I think like sort of what you want. Okay, this is, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like doing it like this. It's already messy. But it is a wing. Okay, let me just take the pencil. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I have a feeling that she's saying I shouldn't connect that line all the way here. So I just have this and then finish the rest of my pencil. So she said that I should make like a disjointed, like going straight down And have like a loose wing and then start the pencil. Then start the line on with the lash line, but not connect this. Just keep it like this. It looks a bit strange. I'm just going to take this small Sigma angled brush. It's the Ease 06. Yep. Okay, I'm just coating my brush with the Eyepencil, the small one, and I'm going to see if I can make that wing a little more neat. Okay, Okay, so this is what you're left with. I don't think it looks bad, do you? Do you? I need to clean it up a little with like a wipe to make it more tight, but I think the shape, it's not bad. Okay, I'm going to go and look at that last one. She's so beautiful, oh my god.
Okay, if you have a hooded eye, this is how to do a killer wing liner. It should look something like this when you look straight ahead and something like this when you look down. Start by drawing a really slim line across the entire length of your lash line, as close to your lashes as you can.
I'm going to start doing that. I have my Morphe in a Vitamin Sea. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line very close to my lash line. It's a nice liner. It's a little tuggy, but I don't mind that. It's very opaque. Okay, try to stay. Okay, you know what? I'm going to stop here and I'm going to see what else she's saying. Oh, you see what I did? There's a reason I'm not good at eyeliner. There's a reason. Okay, what else? Katie, tell me.
Continue drawing that line and bring it all the way out, going over that fold that is folding right there. Keep your eye open and looking straight into the mirror when you're drawing your wing part. Resist the urge to close your eye at this stage. Keep your eye open and keep drawing.
Okay, so she says just keep drawing, look straight ahead. That's going to be difficult, me showing you. I hope you can see. Shall I show you in the shape machine? And just keep drawing. So just keep drawing over that fold, like so. Okay, girl, come on. You can do this. Well, the problem is, it doesn't want to go over my fold. You see what that, you see what happens? It doesn't want to go over my fold. Come on, dude, go over the fold. It's just messy. Oh my god. This is going to hell in a handbag fast. Come on. Come on. Let me see what she says. Again.
Drawing out until it's as graphic and bold as you want it to be. Now you can look down and fill in any little gaps that you want to fill in, but do not fill in the unique shape that your eye has created, because otherwise you will lose this.
If I'm looking straight ahead, I totally get what she means, but I think that my fold is just a bit too big, or my eyeliner, because it's like, it's not even a wing, it's like a clump foot. But it looks so weird. You know, the thing is, sometimes you even close your eyes. You know, when you're talking to someone, you close your eyes. It needs to look cute then as well, doesn't it? You know, it reminds me of a wing you see on a plane. It looks a bit weird. I get what she's saying, and I see that I have a very nice bold wing. When I'm looking straight at you, it's a nice bold graphic wing. But if I'm looking down or open my eyes or like look down or anything like that, I don't know if I really agree with this. Well, okay, for these two, I must say that I do like both of the techniques. I just need to practice a little bit more. This side, I think you can totally fix it if you have like these Q-tips. These are Q-tips for cosmetics. So you have a very sharp point and you can take some eye makeup remover and just fix it, or take a wipe, but you have to do your base after you do your eyes, which I normally do, but for this video I was only going to, you know, focus on the eyes the way I am doing right now. So I wanted to have a little bit of a base. And I do like the fact that if you have this thing, it looks a bit strange if you look down, but not a, if this is really neat and tight as it was with Katie, then it looks really cool, really graphic, really cool. This side, I get what she wanted me to do. I just need a better eyeliner. I need a better liquid eyeliner, because if I'm looking at her video, it just glides over that fold. And for me, it didn't really do that. So I have to find an eyeliner that is more glidey. In conclusion, I think I need a better eyeliner. That's for sure. That's one. But then Out of these 4 hacks, I like number 2 the best. I think that was the easiest with the spoon. That was the easiest for me. And then I think that I like this one second because I really love how it came out. It's just that I need a better eyeliner to try it again, but I will definitely try it again. This one is the 3rd place because I do like what you can do with this. I just don't like how it came out right now, and that is because I was doing it with a pencil. And then the last one is the number 4 because that is just poking in my eye, and I think it's more suited for people who don't have hooded eyes. And you also need a very good eyeliner. So that is in the conclusion. You really need a good eyeliner, and I have run out of eyeliners, so that is why I bought the Essence one. I also have the Roller Lash, this one, but I don't really like that as well. It's quite dry at the moment, so this wouldn't work either. I love this color. This is the Morphe Vitamin Sea. Just saying, love the color. Well, ladies, that is it for me for today. I think it was such fun to try these hacks. If you have any hacks you want me to try from TikTok, then please let me know down below because I had a blast doing this. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and please consider subscribing because I would love to have you in my next one. Bye!